So you heard Akhilesh Yadav there drawing a link to the bypolls. He says whatever happened in Sambhal is in fact was in fact engineered by the BJP and the Uttar Pradesh administration to take the focus of the questions that the SP is now raising with regards to the way the bypolls were conducted. Akhilesh Yadav has also posted on social media platform X. For that, let me go across to my colleague Hina, who's joining us from the newsroom. Hina, first Akhilesh Yadav blames the BJP. He draws the bypoll link and he says that this was in fact engineered by the BJP and the administration to take the focus away from the questions being raised on the way the bypolls were conducted. What does he now have to say on social media platform X?
Well, many say what he has put out on social media platform X is kind of provocative. And here I'd like to read out exactly what Akhilesh Yadav, the Samajwadi Party chief, has mentioned now. He says, and I quote, संभल में शांति की अपील के साथ ही ये भी अपील है कि कोई भी इंसाफ की उम्मीद न छोड़े। नाइंसाफी का हुक्म ज्यादा दिन नहीं चलता, सरकार बदलेगी और न्याय का युग आएगा. So, on one hand, while he is appealing for peace, for calm, but at the same time, he is saying ये भी अपील है. There is also an appeal that no one should lose hope for justice. Now, why is he making this kind of a statement? Who is he really referring to here? Now, that's something which is very, very important. He says, नाइंसाफी का हुक्म ज़्यादा दिन नहीं चलता. In fact, this government is going to change and the era of justice is going to come.
All right. Hina, they're getting us the latest on the kind of comments coming in from Akhilesh Yadav. Let me take this to Adib. Adib, Akhilesh Yadav has put the blame on the BJP and the administration. He goes on to say that everything that happened in Sambhal is on the BJP. They got it done. How do you think the violence that broke out in Sambhal is going to play out right after, the bypolls that took place and the kind of political war of words that has broken out between the BJP and the Samajwadi Party over it?
Well, Sagarika, see what happened in Sambhal. Samajwadi Party is raising questions on the intelligence unit, on the local intelligence unit and the police administration. And Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, first while he was addressing the media earlier today in a press conference, he says that it's the BJP, it's the government and it's the administration who has orchestrated this incident, this riot in Sambhal where people are pelting stones just so that they can divert the attention from the questions that Samajwadi Party is alleging on the BJP government, that BJP rigged the EVMs. So this was the allegation of Akhilesh Yadav. He's blaming it on the Bharatiya Janata Party, saying that the BJP orchestrated the entire incident. And he also went on to say that if the survey was conducted peacefully on the first date, which is of the 19th November, then what was the need to conduct survey once again, and that too without proper arrangement and proper
But the BJP government, the Yogi Adityanath government in the state of Uttar Pradesh is vowing strict action against those who tried to break the peace and who tried to take law and order into their hands. This is the reaction coming in from the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Keshav Prasad Maurya.
माननीय न्यायालय के आदेश का पालन कराना ये सरकार की जिम्मेदारी है, पुलिस प्रशासन की जिम्मेदारी, उसे कराया जाएगा. जो माननीय न्यायालय के आदेश के अनुपालन में बाधा डालेंगे उनके खिलाफ कानून अपना काम करेगा.
Not just Akhilesh Yadav, we also have BSP's BSP chief Mayawati raising questions on the failure of law and order that took place in Sambhal. She's also raising questions for the UP government.
सर्वे के दौरान जो कुछ भी बवाल हुआ है, हिंसा हुई है, तो उसके लिए यूपी का शासन व प्रशासन पूरी तरह से जिम्मेवार है. ये अति निंदनीय है. ये जो भी कुछ उधर हो रहा है ये अति निंदनीय है. जबकि ये काम दोनों पक्षों को साथ में लेकर शांतिमय ढंग से किया जाना चाहिए था, जो नहीं किया जा रहा है.